In this video, I'll show you how to replace this 30-year-old RV carpet with brand new for under $100. Here you can see that it's just all stained here. And then this, oh, this is so bad. And this is right over the kitchen. And so this gets, you know, grease and grime and whatnot on it, and it's just, it can't be cleaned. I've done what I could, and I can't even see any change in my cleaning. And I've shampooed it, I've OxyCleaned, I've done everything. So the carpet is glued down. You can do that. And on the edges here, if you look underneath, this is a trim strip. And I believe this is also glued down. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to attempt to save this trim piece, and so I don't have to order another one. And if that'll work, then I'll remove it and reuse it. But if not, then I'll have to come up with some other way, because I don't know where I can get this. So anyway, the first step is to get rid of this old ugly carpet, and then I'll show you what I'm going to replace it with. Alright, I'm going to start in the back, remove this trim piece. That out. I had a little cabinet mishap. I just put those screws back in. So what I need to do here is sweep this all out and get it ready for another one. But I thought it was glued down. Turns out it had tiny staples in it. So I think what I'll do is do some spot glue in here and there, just to hold it on the edges maybe, or something like that. Alright. So I just went down to Home Depot and got a neutral color carpet. It's a low pile, and I paid $1.34 a square foot. So this roll, which is 12 feet wide, cost me about $70, and then I have some glue. So I got about $85 into the project. So it's a lot easier using the old one as a template, as you can see here. And I'm going to speed up through a lot of this. It took maybe 20 minutes to cut it out. And I left it just a little bit big so that I could trim if I needed to. Now I made it just a smidge bigger, so I'm going to go in and trim this and get this to fit. I've changed the blade so that I used the sacrificial blade out there on the concrete. Alright, I'm going to glue this, but not all of it. It fits so well, I just don't see the point. And if I ever need to take it out, I don't want to have to work really, really hard. But here around the kitchen, I need to glue this strip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue around here, and then on this little piece over here. I had this vacuumed, but so this is just some adhesive I got at Home Depot. Now, I think I'm going to do is just put a little bit on that track surface. And I'm going to stuff it down in there, and I'm going to just put a little bit of glue in there to hold it. Not too much, but I don't want that coming up. And alright, get this out of the way. I'm going to pull it forward just a smidge so I can get that started down into that groove. Get a screwdriver or something. Yeah. Alright, here's the finished product. I'm pretty happy with the results. And I got this edge as good as I could get it. I shoved that down in that trim, and then I glued it a little bit. And then this is a continuous piece in here. So this is, probably won't show it because it's so dark, but I had to go around all the plumbing in here, and that seemed to work out pretty well. So I finally got rid of that old ugly carpet. So this has been bugging me for a long time, and this old carpet was just awful. I didn't want to step on it, and so now I have the whole back end done, and I just need to do the front, and I'll do that next time.